If your GMC Acadia is sitting dead in the driveway, don't call the tow truck just yet. Statistically, nearly half of all non-starting issues on this platform come down to a failing battery or loose terminals. Let's walk through the diagnostic steps to find out exactly why your engine isn't turning over. Start with the basics by cycling the shifter and checking your key fob battery before opening the hood. The starter, motor, and fuel pump relay are the next most likely culprits if your battery tests fine. Acadias are notorious for parasitic drains, where electronics stay powered on even after the car is off. If a jump start gets you moving, your battery is the problem, but if it remains silent, the starter is likely dead. While a battery is an easy fix, a fuel pump or starter replacement can quickly climb in price. Use an OBD-I scanner to see if the computer is blocking the start due to a security error. Every Acadia owner should keep a basic toolkit and a portable jump pack in the cargo area. Remember, a 10-cent fuse can mimic the symptoms of a $500 starter motor. Identify the click, check your power, and you will have that Acadia running in no time.